Hey guys, welcome back. Cricket here with another plan with me. This one is in my Hobonichi. This is my wellness planner. I love this planner and I have not been showing it respect because I actually skipped last week and was just being a bad girl and not doing what I'm supposed to be diet-wise and taking care of myself. So I just wanted to, I want to get back on track and do what I need to be doing, and y'all hold me responsible. Just kidding. Anyway, I'm using this beautiful kit from Pink Polka Dot Lily. I do have a code for her, and all my information will be down in the description below. And if you use my name, you will get this freebie. Cricket 20 will get you 20% off. Every one of my freebies is foil. You never know which color foil you're going to get. This one is silver, but it has the working girl, laundry, eyelash, open face clock, and coffee cup. So those are the things that I picked because they represent me so well. So that is my freebie, and I use the things on my freebie, so that is just me. I'm also going to use this clip. Y'all, I cannot for the life of me remember who made this clip for me, but it is, I thought it would be perfect for this kit. And tell me down below in the description, or tell me down in the comments below, how do you keep track of who you get your clips from and how you store them or how you keep them all together? I want to be able to figure out how I can know who my clips are from. So, but yeah, this beautiful kit is called Rain Boots, and it's perfect because it is raining outside right now. It's Friday, and I can't stand it. I'm going to be honest with you. It has cooled down tremendously here in the South, and our bodies are just not used to that. So, but anyway, here are your days of the week, and I did use So Cute Planners date dots, but Pink Polka Dot Lily also does date dots as well. I do have a code for So Cute Planner too. All my codes and everything are down in the description or in the link tree below. And I did use Pink Polka Dot's gold weather icons, and I went ahead and put them in for the days of the week so that I wouldn't mess that up. So, but those are from Pink Polka Dot Lily too. So let's get started. Oh, I might use this Simply Gilded. I wasn't sure. I thought maybe that would be perfect up at the top since we have the washi down here below. Like I said before, this is for my wellness planner, and I love it. I just had a really bad week last week and did not want to be good. I was not a good girl. Just, I'm going to be flat out honest. I cheated last week and I'm feeling it. And, you know, you get depressed and first thing, well, y'all might get depressed and not want to eat, but the first thing I want to do is eat. So, and that's bad. It's really bad. But I've got to get back on track because for my health, not for any other reason. I mean, I do want to be able to fit in my clothes, which right now I'm having trouble doing. But I'm doing the Weight Watchers, and they are doing the, you know, you can choose from 3 different plans kind of thing. So I do want to, you know, figure out which plan's still going to work best for me. Because I think there's like a blue plan, a purple plan, I can't remember, and a green plan, I think it is. So it's just the one, it depends on which one you think is going to work best for you. So that's cute. I'm loving this foil. Look at that. It's like the light gold, I think is what I got. She has 35 different colored foils, guys. 35. That is crazy. I'm trying to decide. I think I'm going to just do it like I normally do it and put them right here. Maybe, if I don't mess up. Like that. I think I'm going to like twist and turn them because I think that's just cute with the little Post-it notes. And it works, so why not? My dog is whining. I don't know why. He's sitting there at his food bowl, eating away and whining at the same time. So Maybe he's depressed too. I don't know. Just kidding. Oh, I love this kit. I fell in love with this kit, and I was like, I can't wait to use it. And then I kind of wanted to use it when it was like going to be a rainy, cloudy week, and so this is going to be perfect for this week. Perfect. And then I'm going to use this for my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Right here. I love how she just cuts this, and it is absolute perfection. She is amazing. But yeah, 35 different color foils. And let me tell you something. She doesn't make you get a kit with a certain color foil. She lets you choose any color foil you want. 35 colors, guys. 35. It's amazing. And then she has all these little tiny icons up at the top I love. And then it says next week, payday, this week, family time, and day off. With the laundry, payday, bows. I mean, it's just so stinking cute. It's adorable. I can't help myself. Okay, so let's go ahead. I do think I want to put down some washi, though. And this washi is actually perfect to go with this kit. So try not to put my head in it, y'all. I really am. And don't forget, guys, to be loose with your washi, because if you do it too tight, even the paper washi that they give you, it will make your pages curl up just like I just did. So you don't want to do that. I'm gonna see sometimes Simply Gilded just rips just perfectly like that. Loving it. And that's great. And then there. And there. Oh, I do like this washi with this kit. And like I said, I got that one from Simply Gilded. Okay, so I also need to get the stuff in for me this week. And I got these new mood trackers. These are from Cavern Studios. I do have a code for her as well that I think I'm going to use. They take up a little bit of space. That's it. But this is for my wellness planner, guys. And so I do need to keep track of my moods. So let's see if I can find just certain ones that are really going to go with this kit. This one will go. I'm going to move this one down though. Tweezers. Tweezers would be really good. Okay, guys, I am so sorry. My camera just cut off on me. I don't know what's going on. It has done that several times, so I apologize so much. So I'm going to put this one right here. And I don't know where I was talking, so I apologize, guys. But yeah, I like these little mood trackers. They don't take up that much room, so I think they will work really great. I definitely am going to get more of those, so I need one more. I guess I'll use this pink one. Okay, so I got those done right there. And then I also have these pain trackers, and I definitely am wanting to use those. These are an everyday pain tracker, so I think these are perfect. I'm just going to put them right on top of each other. I have to write really small. I think what I'm going to do is just put down the points of what I'm eating, not necessarily what I'm eating. I'm just going to put the points down for it, so I think that will work. There. There. This one right there, and then last but not least, this one right here. Okay, so, and those are from Creative Cavern Studios as well. So definitely want that. And then I got these from Creative Cavern Studios too. These are like my morning and night pills. So I'm going to, let's see, I'll put it down here for a tracker right there. And then I'm going to use these. These are from Pink Polka Dot Lilies as well. And it's just going to be for me to know when I have to pick some, you know, when I'm doing something. So like Wednesday, I'm going to put this one right here. Thursday, right here. And then Fridays right here. And then I'm going to put down that I order my groceries. Maybe. I can't get it. I'm ordering my groceries here. I messed that up. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, please come up. Sorry. Oh God. Okay, come up, come up. Yay! It came up really good. All right, order groceries on Thursday. I pick them up on Friday. And then I meal plan on Wednesday to figure out what we're doing so I know what groceries to order. So those are from Pink Polka Dot Lily as well. Right above here. Actually, since it's mood tracker and everything, I'm just going to put it right across here for mood, or for that one. I don't usually put down what I'm, like the little icons, but since I have a little bit of room, that'll be cool. So, they're tiny. So I do laundry on Monday, and trash needs to be taken out on Monday. So those are cute. Oh, my mom and dad's, well, my dad's birthday is on Thursday. Right there. I'm just trying to see everything that I need to do. There's the grocery one, so I can actually, well, pick it up. We'll put that one right there. Now, and then I'm gonna put these also, I'm gonna use the tiny ones and just put down like what time I have to get up in the morning. So these are from Pink Polka Dot Lily as well. I love the little open face clocks because that way you can fill them in. You can either fill in what time you went to bed, or you can fill in what time you need to get up. Just, you know, whatever works for you. Sometimes I do when I need to get up, and sometimes I do when I go to bed. It just depends. Get these down. And one more right here. Okay, so that worked. I think I'm going to move that just to kind of keep them all kind of right there, and come on, right there. Okay, so there's my clocks, got those down, and then I'm going to use this right here. These are from Craft Penguin Planners. It's just a little habit tracker right here. And I'm going to use, or next week, I'm going to put it right here. And then I had some leftover bow flags. And I'm going to just put that right here so that I can, or need to, write down anything for next week. I can do that. I got 2 of those though. I'm going to put this one right here, and that way I can make a list of things that I need. Family time, I am going to put that down. That is normally Sunday, so I'm going to put that one down. My fingers are shaking today. My fibro's acting up, so I apologize, guys. I clean on Saturday, so I can put that little cleaning thing right there. Just want to use all her stuff. It's so pretty. Okay. I think that's going to be it. Just quick and easy, so something that I can keep track of everything and keep myself accountable. All right, so I hope y'all like this playing with me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell. And I hope that you will come back and visit me real soon. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and I will talk with you later. All right, bye-bye.